just gotta do how to solder. But before we start, you have to tin your tip, which basically is just putting like a light coat of solder all around the tip. But if you get too much, you need a bronzing square or like a wet sponge so you can get it off on. But make sure that you just have like a light coating of solder on the tip, and this is called tinning. So basically, you're going to get your soldering iron and your solder, and you're going to connect them at a point where you want the solder to go. And then you're going to remove it. You don't want to leave the soldering iron on it for too long because you can burn the component, or you can actually burn the circuit board, which both would not be good. If you do this and your solder isn't as shiny, it's gray, then you have a cold solder joint and you have to remelt it and make sure the solder joint is actually better connected. So that one.